Hi, it's Mary with Premier. So we have three different treatments and deep pore cleansing facials or acne treatments to choose from, and a lot of people are just unsure of which one to choose and what to do. So I'm going to tell you all three, and then we'll discuss the acne treatment. We have the acne treatment that is a set alone treatment itself, not a facial. And then we have the acne deep pore cleansing facial, which is the full facial included with the treatment. And then we have a deep pore cleansing facial for people who are just congested. So the acne treatment is specifically for people who are breaking out, have active breakouts. Maybe you have consistent breakouts all the time. Maybe it's just hormonal. Maybe it's just once a month. Sometimes guys just break out randomly, just maybe working harder outside, sweat, debris clogging your pores and starting to break you out. So the acne treatment that we use is Clear Choice. It's a 35% salicylic, and it specifically targets breakouts. It eats away dead skin cells, kind of like an enzyme, but works a little bit deeper. Basically kills P. acne bacteria and starts to clear up the skin. You'll leave seeing a difference and feeling a difference, because we don't leave out that relaxation part just because you're getting a treatment. We still do your shoulder massage, so you leave looking and feeling better. And then over the next few days, you'll start to see a bigger difference start to clear up. But specifically anything with any skin that has whiteheads, nodules, cystic acne, this is the perfect treatment. And then we won't leave without doing some extractions, even though it's not a facial. If you have whiteheads and stuff that's on the surface, superficial enough for us to extract, we will take the time to get that out. And then after that, it depends on your skin on how you respond. Is it something that you are always breaking out and you need to go with multiple treatments? You might have to. You might be better fit for one of the others, which includes the facial, and I'll get into that in the next video. But if you want more information or to book, go to premierfaceandbodywork.com, or you can just call us or text 407-592-9422. Speak with a specialist with experience and not just knowledge.